How can you cancel LastPass Premium and export password? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you cancel LastPass Premium and export password. If you want to move on from LastPass, you'll first want to secure your data by exporting it and then stopping any further changes by canceling your subscription as well. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to export your password, right? So you could do this by a web browser extension. So you just want to make sure to tap on the LastPass icon in your browser toolbar and log in. So you could find these toolbar in your PC, or you could also find it in your browser. Next, you just want to select account and select fix a problem yourself, and you could go to export vault items, and then you could go to export data for use anywhere. Then you have to enter your master password if prompted, and a CSV file containing your password and notes will download on your device. Now, if you want to do it by your website, you have to log into your lastpass.com on your browser, right? This is where it's going to take you. Now tap the menu bar and you could go ahead and select login. Once you are logged into your LastPass account, in the advanced option from the left hand side, so once you do this, you will then need to check your email for a security notification and tap on continue export to verify your identity. Then you have to return to your vault and select advanced options and go to export again to finish that up. And now you could go ahead and cancel your LastPass Pass Premium. So all you need to do is just go to my account page and log in for the LastPass and locate premium status or status section and go to cancel or cancel auto renewal and confirm your choice. And this is how you're supposed to cancel your LastPass Premium and export your data. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.